Right. Hello guys. We've got, instead of doing, obviously if you saw last Friday, we're not doing Friday download anymore. But I thought today, let's just adjust this input because that's too noisy. Okay. Right, that's good. We're gonna do like this LiveCode sort of thing. So I thought I'll show off LiveCode on my Mac. This is my Mac, by the way. Did not know I had one. I mean, I knew I had one. I was just saying if you didn't know I had one. Right, okay, so this is basically the same. I'll say if there's anything different between the Windows and the Mac. I'm using it, obviously with a Mac, usually, so how much delete that. Cut. Usually with a Mac you don't get like a right clicker, so I'll tell you that in a second about what it's all about. I'm just going to move the thing because you don't need that bigger space. If you're wondering what we'll be doing today, God, I keep messing this up. Just leave me in here, okay? I won't show you what we're doing today though, right now. So yeah, right, okay. Usually with a right click, you don't get this option here. Use meaning use or oh God, I clicked on the screen. I'm not good with this Mac, okay? You usually use this. So this is how you start your main stack, which is this. That's like, if you ever use Python, that's like your menu board, like your grid. Okay, that's the basic way to say it. So yeah, here's your tools. If you haven't seen LiveCode before, I do recommend getting it. You don't have to pay for it. I'll put a link in the description to the community edition, which is the free edition of it. So yeah, once you've got those two buttons out, bring this label here. Now this is a crucial part because I didn't even get this the first time, but you do have to remember this. So right click it for me, or if you're on a Mac, you can just double click it, usually. Yeah, there you go. See, it's loading up. It's just faster my way. So yeah, you right click it, then it brings up a property inspector, which you can do all these sort of fancy things, get content. It shows you content, it shows you the table and size. We'll put the size a little bit bigger because I do find that the label, oh no, I can't change it. We'll just go to basic properties right now. We'll have to change it to output because it's much easier to just type output. This is a crucial part here, so make sure you do this. Obviously you can name it whatever you want if you're using it for something else. So then go to this button here. Well no, we'll go to this button here first. We'll get the property inspector up. Highlight it. Type in clear. Okay. We don't need to worry about it. You can customize it later. I'll show you how to do quick customization later on. Then we'll go to edit script. This is how you edit the script to it, and then type in what you want and everything. So here we'll type in put empty. I will just show it because I can't be bothered. What this does, or what at least this should do, if my memory is correct, is, so obviously we've got the title label here. If this works, obviously keep a table in there, so you know if this works, and it should clear it. So it's like a clear button really. So we'll close that out. We'll go here, edit property script here. We'll just put questions. I don't know what to type in really. These aren't, you don't have to follow obviously these questions exactly. This is just the moves on how to do it. So go into edit script. move this down to. You can put global because that puts it so you global, so you can put more than one. Otherwise, you always have to keep putting local. Like say you'd have to put local and then another local for every time you're going to ask questions. So it's just quicker this way. So global. I'll put like Minecraft. You have to list the variables, and obviously if you've known some scripting, you would obviously know what a variable is. But obviously if you don't, just listen on, and then hopefully you'll get the hang of it. Like, this is probably just using this so you can get used to LiveCode. Like games. So yeah, now we've got the variables. Sorry, just text message. Just need to quickly check that. Oh, I don't care about that. Just T-Mobile. So now we'll put this back in here, saying on mouse up, ask the questions. Think of this as, like, the way I remember to do this is thinking of this as a time sort of table. This sort of thing here. Okay, this is like a time table. So then put on ask the questions, and these little bits here you do have to put. If you put a space, it won't work. Okay, so then press downwards and it'll complete this bit for you. On ask the questions, then you put ask. These little bits here, if you're wondering, this is so this does not include it. This is just what it's going to be put as here. Obviously it asks you questions, so you can put a little tab in. LiveCode's very useful. It's better than like Python, I would say, as in sort of thing you can do more with it, more interactive for kids and stuff. So ask, do you like Minecraft? Then put it into like Minecraft. So yeah, this bit here. So you got the question, you answer the question, and it puts its answer into it here. Just for those people who don't know what is going on here. Okay. So now we'll ask another question. Ask, do you like games? We'll put video games, just this. Okay. Put it into like games. Okay. So that's that bit done. Just to clean it up. We'll go down another space, down 2 spaces, and then put on display the questions. Okay. Sorry, I'm just using my mic. Oh, it's quite hot now then. Right. Put. You can obviously type what you want into here, but this is going to be displaying our questions. Obviously, that's why I named it these things here. What they are, just for basic sort of things. Okay. Put. Do you like Minecraft? Okay. We'll put one of these, and then to get the answer, to display what our answer was from asking our questions, we'll put the and. Now, don't put and like as in and. Put it as in this and here. Okay. And like Minecraft. And you've got to put another and return into it's after field. Sorry, I always confuse between after and into field output. See, that's why we called it output, so it displays onto the output. So I had to cough. Put, then we'll do it again for the next one. Do you like video games? And again, and like games, and return after field output. Okay. So when we click apply, you always make sure you click apply, otherwise this won't work. So questions. Do you like Minecraft? We'll answer yes for this one, and we'll put no for this one so we can see which types and gibberish, so it doesn't look like I'm not cheating here or anything. See? Voila. And then to get rid of it, press clear. So yeah, that is my sort of thing. To give you a lot of good laugh, here's like a little sort of high pitched thing here. What's going to be going on any minute now.
Hello guys, this is my high speaking.
Right, we're back to normal now here. Hope you enjoyed that. This has been Friday, whatever. It's not going to be Friday download anymore, but hope you did enjoy it. We'll just save it. Just go to File, Save As, type in questionnaire. This is how to do a questionnaire. I may bring out one next week if I get a good response for Friday of it. So yeah. If you've got any questions against it, or if you would like me to find out something, I've been doing this video game for it, and I thought, well, I know how to basically do a questionnaire, so it'll be fun to do it. But if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments, and I'll answer them hopefully. Bye.